Hello guys. In this video we are going to learn how to edit videos in Clipchamp. But before that, let's talk why Clipchamp. You don't have to download any type of software, and also it is without watermark.
It only takes 10 minutes to learn and to use it. For better results, watch the video completely. In that way you will be familiarized with all the options. If you find this video helpful, like it and don't forget to subscribe. Go to a browser, and search for Clipchamp. Now, log in. If you don't have an account, sign up. Click on Create a Video, to open a new project. This is where we are going to edit videos. First let's get familiar with the interface. Since this is a beginner's tutorial, I am gonna take it very slow. This in the middle, is Viewer Terminal. To the right of it, you can change the aspect ratio of the video. Just a suggestion, widescreen is good for YouTube videos. I am gonna set it to widescreen. On the bottom of the Viewer Terminal, is Timeline. On top left of the timeline, you have your undo, redo, split, delete, and duplicate. On the right, plus is to zoom in the timeline, dash is to zoom out, and the last one is zoom to fit. I know, this is your first time and you are confused. Don't worry, we'll be discussing these with examples in just a moment. The sidebar on the left has a few tabs which we will be using frequently. First one is Media tab. This is where all our uploaded media can be accessed. We will talk about other tabs when we come to them. Before importing media, I would like to mention that all the clips used in this video are from Videvo. Check this out for copyright-free stock videos. I'll leave the link in description. Now, let's import some media. On the top of the sidebar, click on the plus. Now click Browse Files. Select the files you want to import and click OK. The other simple way to import is just dragging them to the Media tab. Hold the file and drag them to Media tab, and let go. You can also add multiple files in the same way. These are the files I imported. To see preview, just move the pointer to them. To record, click on Record and Create. Here you can record webcam feed, screen, and you can also do voiceovers. For example, click on Screen Recording, and the circle on the bottom. And then choose whether you want to share entire screen, or Chrome tab. Select the screen and click Share. After the recording is done, hit the stop. This will take you to preview. If you don't like this one, you can retape the recording, or you can add this to Media tab by clicking Add to Project. I recorded this just to show you how. I don't need this, so I am deleting this. You can sort media into video, audio, and images. Now, let's add media to timeline. Go to the video you want to add and click plus. Video will be added to the timeline. The other way is to drag the video to timeline.
We could move the playhead to any instant we want by left-clicking and dragging, or just left-clicking the timecode.
If we play the video now, after the end of the first clip, second clip plays. As I told you earlier, this is to zoom in the contents of timeline. Notice the changes in timeline, as I click plus. Zoom to fit shows all the assets on timeline. You could pick the videos and move them on the timeline. For example, if I move this clip to other video track, it will overlay on the first track. Now, say you want to trim videos, move the playhead to the clip, and split it. Make sure the video you want to remove is selected, and delete it. If you want to undo the changes, click Undo. There is other way to trim off the edges. Select the clip. Hold the edge with double arrow, and push it. This will trim the video to that point. You can create a copy of any clip on the timeline. Select the clip and click Duplicate. This creates exact copy of the selected video. Say you want to change speed of a video. In my case, the elephant's video is slow. I want to make it fast. Left-click on the video, and then go to speed on the top. Choose if you want to make it fast or slow. The clip length adjusts to the speed. Speed is currently 8 times faster than the original clip. I don't want to make it that fast, so I am sliding the knob towards 2x. If you are trying to make it look more realistic, keep the speed as close to normal as possible.
If you want to detach audio from the clip, select it and go to Audio.
Now click Separate Audio. Your audio will be detached, and appears in Audio Track, and also a file in Media tab. Now let's add a music track. But first I am deleting this. I am quickly importing the music from YouTube Audio Library. Now, drag the audio file to timeline, just like video files. Split the extra audio, and delete it. Select the audio clip, and go to Fade on the top. Here, you can make the audio fade in or fade out by sliding the knob. Fade out decays the audio volume gradually in the end of clip. Now it is time to add some titles. Go to Text tab on the sidebar. Just move the pointer to the text and you can see Preview. Click plus on the template, and text clip will be added. Pick it and move it to the exact time you want it to be. If you want to shorten the duration of text, you can trim it off like a video clip. To edit the text, left-click the text clip, go to Text on the top, type the name you want. And right below it we can change the font style. In Alignment we can shift the text to edges. In Transform, we can change the position and size of the text. Go to Color to change the color of the text or background. I am keeping it white. This is how it turned out. Transitions are also important video editing aspects. Transitions will combine two clips smoothly. For example, the change from one clip to the other is sudden. We can make it smooth by adding transitions. Go to Transitions tab, see Preview, and drag the transition you like to the middle of the change. If you feel the transition is longer or shorter, select the transition, and go to Duration on the top. Click on Duration and adjust the timing of the transition. If you don't like this transition, go to Transition and change it. Now let's make the video more appealing by simple color grading. Go to Filters on the top. Here you can add effects. Click on Adjust Color, and you can change how your video looks. Increase the contrast. Viewers always like to watch high contrast videos. Now, let's export the video. Click Export on the top right corner. Rename the video and click Continue.
Feel free to comment any suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe.